There are many hazards in the workplace. People are always cautious to wear their hard hats and their safety vests, and they're aware of immediate dangers such as broken equipment or falling objects. However, most people are not aware of the dangers of hearing damage, as it occurs over time and is less noticeable. Let's explore some of these examples. Noise is a hazard. Levels of over 85 decibels can cause damage over time. You must be aware of these hazards and wear protective equipment to account for it, such as earbuds, which can be obtained quickly and cheaply, earplugs, which can be worn around the neck and used at any time, and ear muffs, which provide substantial protection, can be paired with the other two forms of protection to cause maximum protection. Thank you. Protect your ears.